This is where automation actually becomes your best friend. If you're out here manually following up with every single lead, you're going to miss opportunities, not because you're lazy, but because you're human and there's no way to stay on top of it all every time. That's why automating this follow up process is such a huge game changer. You can build a simple sequence of emails, texts, or whatever, and you can have it all go out automatically after certain actions happen. Let's say like someone fills out a form on your website, boom, they get a confirmation email right away. Let's say you send them a quote, great. Then you follow up the next day, you hit their inbox with another message. Let's say the job's done. You send a thank you message, maybe an email or a text. And then even after that, you ask for a review. All this is being done in the background and it keeps your business top of mind without burying your team with a bunch of busy work.